Have you ever woken up from a wild adventure that happened only in your head? Maybe you were flying like a bird, talking to a friendly dragon, or solving a big mystery. Those amazing, sometimes strange, stories are called dreams. But why do we dream? What exactly is happening inside our sleepy brains? Well, dreams are like little movies your brain creates while you're asleep. They can be super vivid and feel very real, or sometimes blurry and hard to remember. Most of our dreaming happens during a special part of sleep called REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. During REM sleep, even though your body is resting quietly, your brain is actually super active. Your eyes might even dart around quickly under your eyelids, which is how it got its name. It's like your brain is wide awake and busy, even while the rest of you is catching zizz. So, why does your brain make these nighttime stories? Scientists are still learning all about dreams, but they have some amazing ideas. One big reason is that dreams help your brain sort through all the information and feelings from your day. Imagine your brain is like a giant library. All day long, new books which are memories, things you learned, conversations keep coming in. When you sleep, your brain uses dreams to put all those books on the right shelves, tidy everything up, and get ready for the next day. It's like a super important cleanup crew working while you rest. This sorting process is super important for learning and memory. When you learn something new at school, like a tricky math problem or a new word, your brain needs time to store that information properly. Dreams help your brain practice and strengthen those new connections. Some scientists even think that if you're trying to learn a new skill, like riding a bike or playing a new song on a piano, your brain might actually practice it in your dreams, making you better at it when you wake up. Isn't that cool? Your brain is learning even when you're completely asleep. Another big reason we dream is to help us process our emotions. Life can be full of all sorts of feelings, right? Happy feelings, sad feelings, sometimes even a little bit of worry or excitement. Dreams can be a safe place for your brain to explore and understand these feelings without needing to be awake and deal with them directly. If you had a really exciting day, your dreams might be full of adventure. If something made you a little bit sad or worried, your brain might use dreams to help you work through those feelings. Sometimes this can lead to what we call nightmares. Nightmares can feel a little bit scary, but they are totally normal and a very important part of dreaming. They are just your brain's way of practicing how to handle difficult or worrying situations in a safe environment. Think of it like your brain running a fire drill. It's practicing what to do if there's a problem, so you're better prepared in real life. When you wake up from a nightmare, remember that it wasn't real, and it was just your brain doing its important job. Dreams can also sometimes spark creativity or help us solve problems. Have you ever woken up with a brilliant idea, or suddenly understood something you were confused about? Sometimes your dreaming brain makes unexpected connections or sees things in a new way, helping you think outside the box. Artists, scientists, and inventors have sometimes gotten their best ideas from dreams. Here are some fun facts about dreams. First, everyone dreams. Yes, everyone. Even tiny babies dream. And scientists believe animals dream too. Have you ever seen your dog or cat twitching their paws or making little noises while they sleep? They might be chasing a squirrel or playing in their dreams. Second, you probably dream many times every night, even if you don't remember them. Most people have about 4 to 6 dreams each night. We usually only remember the ones we wake up during or right after. So, even if you think you don't dream, your brain is busy making those amazing stories every single night. Third, dreams can feel incredibly real because your brain is actually creating all the sights, sounds, and feelings. It's not just pictures. You can feel sensations, hear sounds, and even smell things in your dreams. Your brain doesn't know it's not real until you wake up. And finally, some people can even experience lucid dreaming. This is when you realize you are dreaming while the dream is still happening. It's like being the director of your own movie and being able to choose what happens next. It takes practice, but some people can learn to do it. So, why do dreams matter to you, a kid? Well, dreams are a super important part of growing up. They help your brain develop, learn new things, and understand your feelings. When you get enough good sleep, including all those important dream cycles, you wake up feeling refreshed. Your brain is ready to learn more, and you're better able to handle your emotions. Dreams are your brain's secret superpower, working hard to make you smarter, healthier, and happier. Isn't it amazing what your brain can do, even when you're asleep? Dreams are a mysterious and wonderful part of being human, a secret world inside your head that helps you grow and learn. Next time you wake up from an amazing dream, remember your brain was busy doing something super important. What other why questions are swirling around in your curious mind? Let us know in the comments below, and maybe we'll answer your question next.